enrollment gives students the opportunity to earn high school and college credits at the same time. Available to eligible 10th through 12th grade students, 10th grade students may take technical courses only, 11th and 12th grade students may take technical or academic courses. Dual enrollment students are now limited to 30 semester credit hours with dual enrollment and are only allowed to take a course once. Available at Central Georgia Technical College, Gordon State College, Georgia Military College, Wesleyan College, Mercer University, Middle Georgia State University, Fort Valley State University, and other institutions. Student applies to the dual enrollment program at the college they are interested in attending as a high school student. Student accepted or denied by the college depending on whether they meet the college dual enrollment admission requirements. Students choose classes from a list of approved dual enrollment courses. They will have both a college schedule and high school schedule. Student completes courses during the fall, spring, and/or summer semester. Final grades assigned by the college professor and on college transcript. Student then has a high school transcript and a college transcript. Dual enrollment grades and credits on college transcript are added to the high school transcript. This includes grades, withdrawal, and withdrawal failures. College credits are applied toward high school graduation requirements. When a student attends college after high school, it is their responsibility to submit their transcript to the next school of choice.
If you are interested in dual enrollment, you will need to be self-motivated because those assignments will require your best efforts. Dual enrollment can be a great resource if you make it be.
Being in dual enrollment means to take initiative, and taking initiative means to do your work without being told to do so.
To do dual enrollment, you have to be mature enough to keep up with your classes in school and online. And if you can do that, it's for you.
Students interested in dual enrollment need to already have a post-high school plan, which would include what area you want to study so you can pick your proper dual enrollment classes.
Communicate your desire to apply for dual enrollment to your school counselor. Take the appropriate entrance examination, SAT, ACT, or AccuPlacer if needed for enrollment. Complete Bibb County School District dual enrollment agreement and turn it in to your counselor. This must be turned into your counselor by May 1st in order to be enrolled in dual enrollment for the next school year. Apply and be accepted into the college or program of your choice. Complete a dual enrollment funding application on Georgia Futures. This is how your courses are funded. You must create a Georgia Futures account first. Social Security number is required. You will work with your dual enrollment representative and high school counselor to create the schedule that works best for you.
Innovative, groundbreaking, life-changing, rewarding. Words can help describe, but they can't replace the experience that you will gain as a student at Hutchings College and Career Academy. At Hutchings, you'll enter a world of possibilities while earning credentials to help pave the way to your future success. In partnership with the Bibb County School District and Central Georgia Technical College, Hutchings College and Career Academy offers students the following career pathways: aircraft structural maintenance, audio, video, and film, automotive, banking, barbering, construction, cosmetology, culinary, cybersecurity, diesel equipment maintenance, EMT, graphic design, healthcare, hospitality, industrial systems and technology, teaching, welding, as well as college academics for English, math, and Spanish. Hutchings is training the future generation of professionals by allowing students to enhance and practice employability skills, to have a unique community and classroom experience that sparks innovation and creativity with the use of technology, all while developing their professional resume, obtaining certifications, and high school and college credit. What are your goals after high school? Maximize your potential and capitalize on your interests. Pursue college and career readiness with William S. Hutchings College and Career Charter Academy today.
To be eligible for Hutchings College and Career Academy, you must be in 10th, 11th, or 12th grade. You must be on track to graduate. You must meet all program and GPA requirements and be accepted to the pathway. You must have 3 spaces open in your schedule for AM or PM. This means that you will not be taking any elective classes at Rutland High School. They will all be taken at Hutchings. So, are you interested? Remember, you must meet the following requirements. Be in 10th, 11th, or 12th grade for the 2023 through 2024 school year. Be on track to graduate, no failed classes, and have a 2.0 GPA minimum. Click on the link in Canvas to let your counselor know you are interested.
It's always a great day to be a hurricane.